How to fix better Discord themes not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Discord on your device and then tap on the user settings option you see there and then tap on the appearance option. Now go ahead and navigate to the themes folder and make sure your .theme.css file is directly inside that folder and is not in a zip or subfolder. Also, in themes section itself, make sure the themes toggle button is toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and enable the themes toggle button. And some themes break after Discord updates, so you can go ahead and open a new tab and then search for beta Discord theme library and then go ahead and download an updated version of your theme. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then make sure the device that you are using Discord in is updated to its latest version, as if you are using an outdated version, then you might face various glitches in apps and softwares. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix better themes not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.